Together, we are co-creating a fresh start for our planet. Imagine sending our world leaders positive affirmations about our dreams for the planet. Dear Mr. Prime Minister.
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 I am so happy that the world is living as one.
I am grateful that we have one life,
one time,
one planet,
and one love.
I am so grateful that universal education is a reality.
I am so grateful that school is the best part of my day.
I am so grateful that world literacy has been achieved.
I am grateful that we are all connected.
I am grateful that we all know freedom and equality.
I am grateful that I am free.
I am so grateful that there is clean water
and healthy food for everyone.
I'm grateful that the freedom of sustainability rings throughout the world.
I am so grateful that all life on the planet knows peace.
I'm so grateful that diversity is celebrated.
I am grateful that because of you,
because of you,
we are the change that we wish to see in the world.
We invite you to create and share your version of happy and grateful with your leader.